Hi and welcome students. In this Windows 10 tutorial, I'm going to go over how to control the display of hidden files and file extensions in Windows File Explorer. Let's get started. So you'll see my desktop here and I have two files on it, and if I open up File Explorer and navigate to desktop, you'll see those are the two files listed right there. Now the first thing that I'm going to go over is how to display hidden files. So I actually have more than two files on my desktop, but you can't see them. And so the way that I'm going to show you how to see these files is I'm going to go here to the Home tab. Okay, and on the Home tab, you'll see right here that we have an option for pinning in the top right. So I'm going to just pin this menu up here. Okay, and this will pin my ribbon up to the top. That way I could always see what's going on up here. And if I go to the View tab, in the View tab, you'll see under the Show/Hide group, there's an area right here for hidden items. And this will show or hide files and folders that are marked as hidden. Now, why might something be hidden? Well, you can hide things that, sometimes I'll hide files if there are a lot of them in a folder and I only use a couple of them, but I still want them to be stored in that spot. I might hide those files. Also, if you have documents that are like sensitive information and you just don't want them to be showing up on your File Explorer, you can hide them and leave this unchecked so it looks like there's only two files in here. But if I click the checkbox for hidden items, now I'll see there's the two items and they were hidden. So here's how you hide and unhide an item in File Explorer. Here's my file, which is a Word file. If I right click it and go to Properties, you'll see it opens up my general properties for this. And under Attributes, which is this bottom section, it says Hidden. To unhide the file, we click the checkbox to uncheck Hidden, click Apply, and click OK. Now you'll see it's no longer hidden. I could do the same thing with this PowerPoint file. Okay. To hide a file, you pretty much do the same thing, but you check the box. You right click it, you go to Properties, and you click that checkbox for hidden, and then click Apply and click OK. Alright, great. So that's how we see hidden items. So if you ever want to see your hidden items, you just leave that box checked. Next up, I'm going to show you how to view your file extensions. So file extensions are put at the end of every single file that you create in Windows 10, and you don't see them by default because it would actually make the file name a bit longer, and so most people don't need to know the extension because of these icons on the left here. And you'll see these icons, it says Word, 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 PowerPoint. So I know what these files are. I don't really need an extension for them. Okay, and if you like the view that I'm using for File Explorer, I'm currently in the View tab, Layout Group, Details. Okay, sometimes it defaults to these other views, but I don't really like them because they don't help me out too much when it comes to this other information over here. So to turn on my file extensions so that I see those, I go to the View tab, Show/Hide group, and I click the checkbox for file extensions. And you'll see it now has added the file extensions to the back end of the file name, .docx and .pptx. To remove that, you just click the checkbox for file name extensions, and it'll remove that. So it's up to you. It's a matter of preference if you want to show or hide your file extensions. And again, earlier was how you hide and show your hidden items. So those are your two options there. So hopefully this video has taught you a little bit more about File Explorer and how File Explorer works in Windows 10 and how to show and hide your files in addition to showing and hiding your file extension names. So if this video has been helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. And if you have any questions, put it in the comment section below and I'll do my best to respond to you. Thank you so much for watching this video and have a great rest of your day.